Now, in a move to curb the rising cases of gender-based violence in the country while enhancing access to education, learners from Nairobi County, led by Nairobi woman Rep. Esther Passaris, have issued a stern warning to perpetrators and called on the DCI to conduct thorough investigations into all GBV cases. Speaking during the disbursement of bursaries aimed at supporting education in Nairobi, parents have been urged to immediately report any incidents of gender-based violence.
With mama. Ni msichana kutoka huko Turkana. Niko ofisi ya kama Santini. Sababu na kasi.
Wazazi wasifunike, wasifiche. Kitu ikitokea, wacha serikali wachukue hatua. Mtu akirape mtu amedefile, wacha stakiwe aende kotini. Mahali popote tuko, tujue kwamba tuko na sheria. Tufuate sheria. Ukikosewa, tufuate sheria. Ichunguzwe, akipatikana amefanya makosa astakiwe. Hiyo ndio njia peke yake.
We want every case of rape, defilement, sodomy, femicide to be investigated, concluded. Vile rais alisema juzi, watu wa drugs wataingia ndani, they be hanged. Even a rapist, a defilement case, a woman who's been killed by her husband, her brother, her uncle. We want them to be locked up and the keys to be thrown away.
A day after Kwale Deputy Governor Chirema Kombo walked out of a meeting led by Cabinet Secretary